everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing an abstract butterfly using 3 different effects. So I'm going to be doing holographic chrome, hand painted art, and I'm going to do sugared effect with indigo glitter. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy. I've done 2 coats of CND shellac unlocked, and I've done 1 coat of UV gel top coat. I'm just going to take the inhibition layer off, and I'm also going to buff it with a white buffer block. This is so that when I do the holographic chrome powder, it doesn't stick to anything but the top coat that I'm going to paint on. And I'm just going to wipe up the dust. So I'll need my indigo dry top coat and my Licente S1 brush, sorry, upside down. So I'm going to draw quite a wide line in the middle of the nail, so I'm going to start from the centre, work my way down slowly. I'll do one right next to it to make that line a little bit thicker, dragging down the excess that will be on the top. And then one on the other side. Now before you put it in the lamp, just let it sit for a second so that it smooths itself out, and then put it in the lamp for 1 minute. I'm going to use Licente rainbow powder, and I like to use this silicone tool to put it on. So all I do is take a little bit, you don't really need a lot, and you're just burnishing it into this top coat that you've just put on. And to finish off, I'm going to use a dry lint-free pad. I'm just going to go over the top just to make sure it's all settled in and any excess will come off. You see? Cool. Right, so I'm just going to go over that with the top coat, the same UV gel top coat, and then I'll pop it in the lamp for a minute. I like to do the 2 sides first, just because if there is any excess left, it won't necessarily go over. But hopefully you'll have done it that there won't be any excess anyway. And making sure to seal the edge. Right, that one's going to go in the lamp. So I've done a second top coat as well, just to seal it in. And I'm going to go over and take off the inhibition layer again. So I'm going to do the design on top using CND shellac black pool. And I haven't actually got my normal dotting tool, so I'm using my silicone dotting tool because I've left it at the salon. So I'm going to go in and place a couple of dots, about 2/3 of the way, third of the way down. That was much more difficult than it looked with the with the silicone tool instead of the dotting tool. Right, so I need a little bit more black pool on here. What I'm aiming to do is do a sort of abstract butterfly. So I'm going to use my S1 brush again. And going to do with this bottom one is I'm going to really carefully pull it up. It almost looks like a teardrop. I'm going to work my way down, so I'm going to do the one wing first. So I'm going to do a dot with this, the tool, and then I'm going to push down and bring it around, but as I'm doing it, I'm pulling it up so it makes it thinner. Okay, so I'm going to do that again to show you. As you can see, it's a lot easier doing it one side than it is the other. I always find anyway, I don't know about anyone else. Right, so there's the antenna. I'm basically going to do exactly the same, only keeping it a bit more chunky for the wings. So starting in this corner, I'm going to push down a bit more. And bring it round. I am going to thicken that up a little bit. And what I want to do is fan it down. So coming round here. Start coming in at this point. I'm going to thicken this one out. I wanted that a bit thicker. I'm going to go on to the other one. Right, now I'm going to do his legs. So I'm going to go the opposite way. I'll start this side. And I want to make these a little bit thinner if I can. Also going to do it's really finely coming around the side like this, just to bring the design coming down all the way to the bottom of the nail. Now normally when I'm doing designs like this, I'll do it in gel paint, and I'll normally flash cure it in between each section so that it doesn't pull into each other like this. For this video I'm just going to leave it and show you what I'm doing, because I'm doing this for a reason. So I'm not curing it yet. What I want to do is get indigo in black snow. I'm going to get my cuticle pusher, making sure it's 100% dry. I'm going to sprinkle it into the uncured gel. Right, now what I do, let it sink in a little bit, and then once it's sunk in a bit, tap off as much as you can into the pot. Fingers are cramped up. So you get this kind of effect. Sorry, the lighting's not very good. And then you pop that into the lamp. So by doing that, what I'm doing is I'm making what I call a velvet effect, but it's called sugaring effect. Now that that's all done, I'm going to get my glitter brush. I'm just going to brush off all the excess. And there you have it. Very simple, very effective. A couple of different effects for you to have a look at. Hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.